Me come at the door and hear this girl that come talk about Jeffrey put on back your underpants. Me I beat down the door, you know, if I some sort of joke. And you say something, man, me beat down the door. You let me in. And first of all the people are going to run come up and I'm a video. Come ask me where is Shawna. No ask me no. Alright guys, so first of all, I want to start off the video by saying everybody knows how far is too far. Everybody know when time you need to stop. Everybody know say certain things are not joke. Like there was certain YouTubers channel, and if you can't hear me because I find in my background, stay with me because me hot and me sweat, so me need the breeze. Right, so as me I say, everybody know how far is too far. You understand what me I say? Because you know your people them, you know your family, you know how them stay, so you know certain things where basically you're not trying to do nothing to mash nobody can. You get what me I say? You have to try and make it light and you steer off of certain things. Cool? Like after you know people, you know things where you can prank them but you know things where it's like completely off limits. You understand what me I say? So everybody knows say me and my sister go back to back with all the prank ideas, man. We do all sorts of stuff to each other, you understand me? But me not depend on understanding. Cool? She understand herself, me understand myself. So even though we tried past certain topic where it's not hot to people, but you know, so we go backside. Yeah guys, I'm just saying this to say, based on the people that when you do video with, you will know how far is too far. You get what me I say? Cool. Somebody here this morning, wake up good enough. Wake up good. Go in the kitchen. Because unlike regular people who just wake up and eat them breakfast, I'm the kind of person where if I'm not ready to eat nothing, I'm not going to eat until I feel hungry. But go in the kitchen and I'll get something to eat. Cool. From in the kitchen, you know, me can't hear my sister in the room. I call Jeffrey. My name not made too much, you know, Jeffrey's our brother-in-law, my spouse, so you know, everybody know his name, so it's cool. If everybody want to ring out his name, it's perfectly fine. You understand what I say? But just make sure so you're not calling him name in a too intimate a setting. You understand what I say? So, I out there, I take a breath. I say, you know what? Perhaps he might call me and not get me and call her because my phone in the room. Cool? I come at the door now, ready? Only for hear this girl that come talk about Jeffrey and Underpad. Now, hear what I say? Hear what I say? Cool? What I don't know, you know, is after most of the prank a payback station go on because certain joke are not joke. And what is joke to you are dead to somebody else. You get what I say? Payback station. My sister should know say certain things I don't find it funny. I don't find it funny because as some people run joke with you and do certain things to you, understand? As some people run joke with you and tell us how they feel about you for true. As some people run joke with you and do some things playing up in your eye and you think you have some sort of joke. And by the time you check the internet, perhaps things blow up. As some people are hear about things where I keep it at them. Yeah, listen to me when I run certain joke, you know, because certain things I just don't find funny. And if it's not funny, it's not funny. You understand what I say? If it is not funny, it's not funny. And nobody except the people I'm related to can piss me off a certain kind of way. Nobody except my sister Shawna, because on my mother's side, only the baby and Shawna can get me a certain kind of way. Only the little baby and Sean can get me a certain kind of way. Anybody else I'm cool, I'm alright. Because you're not that close to me, so it don't really matter what you want to do. You understand what I say? No, me come at the door and hear this girl that come talk about Jeffrey put on back your underpants. Me I beat down the door, you know, if I some sort of joke. And you say something, man, me beat down the door. You let me in. Let me in as a Kim a joke me I make, you know, I trouble me, I trouble you. Because we always a trouble each other, you understand? But me out the good old 5 minutes I beat the door. Nobody now let me in. Nobody now say none. All she depend is one and a bed, one and a bed, one and a bed, and all sorts of foolishness like she thinks some joke. Me not laugh because that is not funny. This is not funny. This is my life and this is my spouse. So outside of the whole YouTube thing, we are good. We are good. You understand what I say? Outside of that, this is the person that I want to go home to every day. This is the person that I look forward to seeing whenever. Cool? So certain things you just not joke about. And then to make matters worse, you understand me? After me show her something, I say come go on your ways and she go on her ways. Me I call him phone and I not get it. I don't even know if I something with the two of them in together. And I don't even care, you know, because certain things is not funny. This don't funny. I don't find it as a joke. I don't find it as a prank. I'm very, very disappointed. And first of all the people are going to run come up and I'm a video. Come ask me where is Shawna. No ask me no. Don't ask me anything. And for all the people that will run come up in my inbox, come. Oh, Kim, Shawna, don't ask me nothing, you know. Don't ask me anything. She have a channel and me have a channel. You want to find out how she do go over her channel, go ask her. Comment under one of the many videos them or go inbox her. Don't ask me nothing. And if once man drop her name in the comments, me I go remove it. So you might as well no bother right now. You might as well don't bother. And if other people them go run come and say, oh no, your sister, you need to do this, you need to do that. Don't tell me nothing. Don't tell me what me need to do. Make your sister in your room, lock up door, and I come back out your boyfriend, your man. Oh, do this, do that, and see how you react. See how you react. Certain things not funny. Me legit come sit down outside with a bottle of water and me come to home. Me say, my chest a pop out. Me not find it funny. Me not think it cute. Like me say, I don't know if both of them are in it together, but it just not play out well for me. Then me come in the room now and me ask what happened. She not talk. Wrap up in a blanket. I don't know if she have on clothes or nothing, you know. Wrap up in a blanket and jump all over the bed. Me ask this girl what happened. She not say nothing to me. All she depend is, oh, him gone out through the grill. Oh, him did it. So I try drink my water. I try drink my water and I try calm down. Cause I know so when I get angry for the most part, you can't make out not knowing me I say because I talk really fast and I start to stutter. And my eye them look red tarted. So all I say is, guys, I never did expect that. I never did expect that. I was not expecting that. Shawna are one of the closest. I'm gonna say, on my mom's side, Shawna is the closest sibling to me, and that has been the way. That has been how it is. That is how it has been ever since me can remember. For as long as, from me idea me, from him born, and me and him. This is my spouse. This is somebody who is closer to me than every other person in my life. You have to say, like. I don't even want to say that way there, and I mean outside of my family, because I have family and people who are going to feel rubbed the wrong way by me saying that. But that's true. Show me one girlfriend and boyfriend, one husband and wife who don't find each other to be them closest pal ever. You get what I'm trying to say? So all I say is, certain things you can't do. Certain things you can't do. And he is one of the closest persons to me. Shawna, I'm the closest sister from my mother's side. You understand me? So these are two very, very, very important people in my life. Me really care about. Like two people who me really, really, really care about. Really care about. And all along, people are coming on the video them and I say, Kim, your sister play with your boyfriend too much. You show them something a joke. People inbox me up on Instagram and I say, Kim, not my business, you know, but certain joke me not run. Certain things are not joke. And based on how extreme she a go on, you sure say things not keep. Only if you come now find out after how long. She could have come clean with me a long time and tell me certain things. You get what I say? She could have, matter of fact, both of them. I never expect this from my sister. My sister could have come to me a long time, come say, Kim, Irwa, XYZ, and off camera we would have worked things out. Whether it is that me want to be pissed and say avoid me, not come around me, act like say me not alive, that are my personal business. And me feel like when you wrong me, I am valid in reacting however me want to react. My reaction after my reaction. And once you do me something, anyway I want to go on and I eat that. And nobody not say nothing to me. Any how I want to react, me get to react. Once you do something to me, allow me to react. You don't get to tailor my reaction. You don't get to tell me to Kim, calm down. No. Allow me to react. Because when you do what you do, you do what you want to do based on how you want to do it. So make me react based on how me want to react. So I don't even want nobody to come in the comments and I say, Kim, you couldn't go talk to your sister. Don't tell me nothing. Go talk to Fio. Don't say nothing to me. Go and go talk to Fio one. All along, me never did that expect. I am so disappointed. Like, you don't know me, you don't watch my video, you don't know say I am so for my sister. I am so for her. Me always in our corner. Always in our corner. Always. Me do everything in support of my sister. Even if me have something to say to her, I have a way of saying something and something where she not like, me still gonna say it because it is to help her. Every single thing. Even for the things that we have been able to capture on camera, people can attest to the fact that I'm always in her corner. I'm always support her. I'm always do the for her. If somebody, I go do something to her and I can see it coming a mile away, I will forewarn her and say, Sean, watch your back. Watch that smaddy. And if XO member say me there for your same way, I'm always a this girl personal cheerleader. Always. And anybody who cannot attest to this, you really don't know me. Which is why again me I go say, me don't want none of our subscribers them come over here come make them mouth talk loud over here because my mouth louder is my channel. And from me say you know welcome, you know welcome. So me don't want nobody come over here say with them foolishness and come say Kim, Ray, you don't know. You don't know. You don't know. You do not know. I never that expect that. I was not expecting this. I don't know if you expect them kind of behavior from your sibling because everybody apparently have now this crab in a barrel mentality. And all tiredness and bad mindness that. Remember me tell you that. I never did I expect this from her. I am very, very disappointed. And I always want them where you wouldn't do anything for. Always. I say no matter what happened to this girl, she can't come because I did it for her. And no matter what happened, she can't talk to me about it. Always I make sure say even if I something where me have to give, I go split it in half for me and her because I'm a sister like that. Always the people them where you care about do them something at you. I never did I expect that from you. I know you're gonna see the video. I never did I expect that from you because I think you have more respect for me as a sister than that. I was not expecting you to do that. Me say me not in no dealings with you. You might as well unfollow me for everything. I never gonna say no come back on my yard because you don't know that. No come back on my yard. Don't come back on my yard. If me see you and get a problem, no come back on my yard. You can unfollow me on Instagram. You can unsubscribe. It is all good and well. Anything you want to do because me don't unfollow you a long time. Don't DM me. Don't call me. Don't ask nobody for call me neither. Do not ask nobody for call me. Because me not take nobody call. I can't believe you do that. Me say. I can't believe you do that. I should have live me just go and embarrass you. I can't believe you do that. I can't believe you do that. I would never do this to you. Boyfriends are completely off limits. Matter of fact, I'm never interested in anybody interested in you like that. Because we have completely different tastes. I can't believe you do that. Shawna, I lose half of you. I lose half of you. I completely lose half of you. And you can run up and down all over the place with your head friend and anybody we have in your corner. Because you always, when people wrong, they always have people in their corner same way. I don't understand how that works. Whenever people wrong, they always have people in their corner sit down and shoot up and I say, yeah. Like say certain people can't do nothing wrong. I'm disappointed in you. I'm telling you this as your older sister who has always been. You're going to never find nobody like me. You will not find anybody else like me in your corner. Because not only am I your friend, but I am your blood. You might as well call me out, you know. You might as well call me out. Because I'm not in you. I'm not in you. I'm not in you. I'm glad you do this for now. I get to drop you like hot bread. Right, yeah, so. Me completely done with you. Remember me tell you that. Remember me tell you that.